Have you ever thought about how you can use AI in your career? Hi, I'm Commander Alireza Khoshzaban. In the turbulent sea of artificial intelligence, I'm your advisor, guiding you to success. You might ask, why Commander? Because I'm here to navigate you through the rough waters of AI to reach your goals. And why Commander, not Captain? Because, just like you, I'm constantly learning and upgrading my skills. Together, we'll move forward toward success. I hold a master's degree in software and have 20 years of experience in teaching and working professionally in different areas of technology like networking, programming, game development, web design, and even graphic design, which has built a strong resume for me. But today, my heart and soul are drawn to AI. My mission is to start working as an AI advisor and use this platform to help you become your best, most up-to-date self in your career, profession, community, and the world. So far, I've uploaded over 24 videos about the first and second chapters of the book Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig, who are leading experts in AI. The book is taught in over 1,000 prestigious universities worldwide. These videos are available in both Persian and English, designed to help viewers grasp the fundamentals of AI easily. They're tailored for those who want to learn AI basics without attending heavy, complex classes and will be uploaded every 2 weeks. So, what does an AI advisor actually do? An AI advisor is someone who helps you leverage AI capabilities to solve problems, boost productivity, and achieve your goals. This advisory can cover various areas like career, education, business management, and even personal life. For instance, if you're a business manager, an AI advisor helps you identify suitable algorithms to optimize processes, predict market needs, and grow your metrics. A sales manager can use AI to forecast customer behavior and optimize sales strategies. If you're a student, I'll help you use AI tools to turn your dreams into reality, whether it's choosing a field of study or a career or planning better learning strategies. Parents can also benefit by understanding how to prepare their children, themselves, and their professions for an AI-driven future. Let's take a look at the role of AI consultancy in different countries. If this seems interesting so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to catch the next episodes. Jobs related to AI are in high demand today in countries like the US, Canada, China, and European countries like Germany and France. Big companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Alibaba actively rely on AI advisors to find the best solutions for their projects. Even in countries that are still in the early stages of AI development, such as many Middle Eastern nations, the demand for AI advisors is growing rapidly as everyone realizes AI is the key to a better economic and social future. One of the educational series to be uploaded every 2 weeks will be about using AI in various professions. For the first profession, I've chosen the challenging role of kindergarten manager. This topic was selected due to my wife's involvement as a kindergarten manager, familiar with the challenges and needs in this field, which will likely result in helpful training content. In these videos, I'll teach you how to use AI for better kindergarten management, educational planning, and even parent engagement. These series will continue with professions of your choice. Today, from large corporations to young children, everyone needs AI consultancy to build a successful future. If you're curious about how you can use AI in your job, studies, or even personal life, be sure to subscribe to my channel and join me. If you want to stay ahead in the world of AI, subscribe to my channel and follow along. I release a new video every week to help you become the best version of yourself. Got any questions or topic suggestions? Feel free to share them in the comments section. Thank you for being with me so far. I'm Commander
Alireza Khoshzaban.
and this is the Sea of AI. Ready? Then hop aboard.